To convert a PDF to Word document with Adobe Acrobat, follow these steps. Go to your Adobe Acrobat and click on File and click on Open, or you can press Ctrl O. Now navigate to the folder which folder contains your PDF document. Select your document to open. And here is my PDF document. Now go to File, hover over on Export to, hover over on Microsoft Word, and here you can select Word 97 to 2003 document, or if you're using latest version of Microsoft Word, then you have to click on Word document. And here we can see it's already converted to docs file. Now select a folder where you want to export, and you can rename the file from here and then click on save. It may take some moments to export the docs file from Acrobat. Once done, go to your file explorer, navigate to the folder, and here we can see the doc file. Now you can easily open the doc file in your Microsoft Word, and here you can go ahead and easily work with the document file. So that's it.